Grade 2 students explored subtraction with regrouping using the math kit. The kit helps children see and physically interact with numbers, making it easier to understand the concept of borrowing when subtracting larger numbers. With these tools, subtraction becomes more than just numbers on a page, it's a hands-on journey of breaking apart tens and ones to find the answer. The goal of the lesson is for students to confidently count and solve subtraction problems involving regrouping. The math kit supports this by helping students visualize and practice the regrouping process in subtraction.